Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Storydoc, a tool that claims to create sales and marketing collateral with this interactive slide creator. So the tool, it's a PowerPoint-like tool, Google Slides-like tool, but with a proposal feature that can make the whole difference. The tool so lets you create engaging interactive presentations, white papers, case studies, and more that sets you apart from your competition. I'm planning to buy this tool. I think it's pretty different and I like the user interface. I'm gonna show you. But the trick here is that you're gonna get only the pro plan if you buy the tier 2 beyond. So if you buy the tier 1, you get only the starter plan. And they have some difference and also, if you want to take off the Storydoc branding, you need to get the license tier 3. So if license tier 1, you get 1 user, license tier 2, 5 users, license tier 3, 15 users with no Storydoc branding, tier 2 and 3, the pro plan, tier 1, the starter plan. Let's take a look at the tool. Here is the dashboard, and you can divide your story docs by folders, creating folders here on the left. And you can select if you want to share those slides with everyone in your organization or not, divided by folders. So you can have organization folders and private folders as well. And here is where the magic happens. You can start from template, start from blank, import PDF, or set your brand. So let's start setting our brand. First, you will select which kind of presentation you want. Let's say we want to create a school presentation. You are gonna add your company website like that, and you select the industry location in that case. Next step. Now you're gonna select a template that will fit to your brand. Invest deck, sales pitch deck, general business template, fashion business plan, report templates. You can load more templates here. They have many templates. Let's say we want that one, invest deck. So use this template, search your logo, search your font, and search your colors to just customize automatically the slides. They also select a background for you, a video background for the slides. You can select the templates or your branding here, like that. You can see that the tool, they will give you more than one color selection for your branded theme. They gave me 3 selections for my branded theme. I like it. The number 1 is cool. The number 2 is cool as well. I like that green. Let's select this one. And next, they wrap up everything and will show you the slides ready to go. So here we have the template done. You can change the background media here, the gradient appearance, overlay color, but you can see that everything is like your branding with logo, colors, etc. Here, our vision, another kind of slides with key points. And to change something, just go here, change the content, just typing. Let's say you want to create a new slide. Consider they have also charts here, different kind of charts, bar vertical, bar horizontal, line, donut, area, bar line, stacked horizontal, stacked vertical, scatter, and bubble. So many slides. You can create a new slide, just click here to create a new slide, and the tool will give the most popular formats. You can see them here. So let's say you want to select one specific, let's say the problem. The tool will give slides about problem. Let's say you want that, animate list with slides. Storydoc will create a new slide. You can start changing everything here. The content, layout, style. When you change image, you can see that they have a stock image by Unplash. So you can just use the stock image to decorate your slides. Settings here, you can change the sharing preview image, the sharing descriptions. Those are for SEO and Facebook purpose. You can change your story internal name and also your public story title. You can save your slides anytime here. It has an auto saving, and how you can share your slides. So click here on share to prepare your story for sharing. Here on the advanced setting, you can change the image and also the expiry date of sharing. And then you can preview or share. The tool will create a shareable link. Just copy link and send the link to your customers. Slides will show like that. You can see to take off that branding here, you need to buy the tier 3 or will show up powered by Storydoc. You can see that they have an interactive slides. In that case, it will open the calendar and here people can go to the next page. It's pretty cool for presentation, the solution, like a branding proposal tool. You can see a whole landing page here. Let's talk, visit your website, have call to actions in the end, and also present the tool directly and it will show up like a link as well. And you can, record a video or a lesson using the PowerPoint. It also has an analytic features where you can see the number of readers, the version of your slides, your reading funnel, if people are reading everything or not, if they're using desktop, mobile, or tablet, and also the top actions is if they are clicking on book a call, what do you do, contact us, etc. On settings, you can invite your members. Just click on add more seats and you add an email and you have more team members. Right now they have the integrations. Those are Salesforce, SalesLoft, Marketo, Gong, Outreach, Zoom Info, Pipedrive, Zoho, and HighSpot. You can also send the presentation to many people using the email, and you can also download your templates. This is Storydoc. I hope you like my review. And just click on the link below in the description so you can get that tool for the best price or have more information about it. Take a look at the landing page on AppSumo and see if this deal is the good one for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.